Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? I hope you are in good condition. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ikada Adi Suradana. You can call me Adi. Now, I would like to explain about Bali in general. Bali, which is referred also as the island of God, the Paradise Island or the island of 1,000 temples, is located between Java and Lombok. The large Java is located to the west, while Lombok is situated to the east of Bali. Geographically, Bali is the westernmost end of the Lesser Sunda Island. Administrative, Bali is one of the 34 provinces of Indonesia, with Denpasar at the southern part of the island as its the capital. Bali is home for small Hindu community in 2010. Bali is famous as the largest tourist destination in Indonesia and also well known all over the world. The popular image of the island is that it is rich with sophisticated art like traditional and modern culture, leather painting, dance, music, and metalworking. The geography of Bali. Bali Island is located 3 kilometers or 2 mi east of Java, 8 degrees south of the equator. Java and Bali are separated by the narrow Bali Strait. Its length from east to west is about 153 km or 95 mi, while from north to south it spans up to 112 km or 69 mil. The total measure of the island area is 5,000 km. The highest elevation at the central of the mainland reach up to around 3,000 meters above the sea level. The highest of which is Mount Agung, which reaches 3,000 kilometers. This active volcano is also referred as the Mother Mountain. Religion in Bali. Bali is the home for a small community of people who are there to Hindu. There is about 80% of the total population that adheres to Balinese Hinduism. The religion is a combination of Hindu influence for the Southeast Asia and Southeast Asia maintained with the existing local beliefs. Islam the minority religion with only 4% followers, while Christianity scores 1% and Buddhist 0.6%. Immigrants from other parts of Indonesia have not yet included in this figure. Most of Bali are still working in the agricultural field, although the GDP large output is produced by tourism. The most notable agricultural effort is the rice cultivation. Small crops that are also grown in the island include vegetable, fruit, coffee, arabica, and other substance and cash crop. Kintamani, a region near Mount Batur, is the region where Arabica coffee is produced. Produced generally processed Balinese coffee using the wet method, which result in a soft, sweet coffee. Flavor that can be introduced are lemon and other citrus notes. The majority of the coffee farmers in the region are members of Subah Abhiyan, which is based on the Hindu Trihitakarana philosophy. The philosophy teaches that there are three causes for the happiness, namely the relationship with God, other people, and the environment. The system of the Subah is the best suited for the production of organic coffee and fair trade. The Arabica coffee produced in Kintamani region is the first product in Indonesia that received a geographical indication. Bali tourism. Southern part of the mainland is where the tourism industry focuses. The main tourist spots are the Kuta Beach, Legian, and Seminyak. Sanur, which once was the sole tourist Hub, Ubud at the center of the island, Jimbaran, and newly developed Pecatu and Nusa Dua. The Australia government still rate Bali at 4 danger level on a 5 scale level, while the America government and yearly later its travel warning in 2008. Tourism in Bali. The real estate industry related to tourism has been thriving at the main tourist hub. Bali hotels are built in the famous location in like Kuta, Seminyak, Oberoi, and Legian. Five-star Bali Hotel Via start to be developed in 2010. The south part, namely at the Bukit Peninsula, Bali Villas. Totally, $1 million have been built at the cliff slide at the south and has promised panoramic ocean view. Environment in Bali. Lebih Beach sees the worst sea wave erosion. Up to 7 meters of the island is lost every year. Decades before, the beach is the permanent destination for more than 10,000 people, but now the destination had been moved to the Melasti Beach. Bali Administrative Division. The province of Bali is divided into 8 regency or kabupaten and 1 city or kota. They are Badung, is the capital is Mangupura, Bangli, the capital is Bangli, Buleleng, the capital is Singaraja, Denpasar is the city of the Bali Island, Gianyar, the capital is Gianyar, Jembrana, the capital is Negara, Karangasem, the capital is Amlapura, Klungkung, the capital is Semarapura, and the last one is Tabanan, the capital is Tabanan. Bali economy 3 decades ago was based largely on agriculture, both for the employment and the products. The single large industry in the Bali has been tourism because of the highest development tourism district. The island is one of the vastest region in Indonesia. Now, 80% of the economy here relates upon tourism. After the shocking boom attack on 2002 until 2005, a tourism industry is recovering slowly. History of Bali. The first inhabitants of Bali are Austronesian people who come in 2000 BC. They come from Taiwan through the South China Sea. Thus, these people are closer to the people of the Philippines, Oceania, and Indonesia archipelago in terms linguistic. The historical artistic that from this time are stone tools found not too far from Chakik village at the western part of the island. There are 9 Hindu sects in the ancient Bali, with each has its own personal godhead, namely Ganapati, Resi, Brahma, Sora, Vaisnava, Siva Siddhartha, Bodha, Bhairava, and Pasupata. Balinese culture. Bali is famous for its sophisticated art form in sculpture, handicraft, painting, wood carving, and performing arts. Gamelan. Balinese Persian artistic music is varied and highly developed. Stories from Hindu epic like Ramayana are often portrayed in performing art with a lot of influence from Balinese tradition. Well-known Balinese dance include Legong, Topeng, Gong Kopiar, Pendet, Baris, Barong, and Kecap. There are innovative and diverse performing arts culture in Bali. Due to tourism, there are traditional Balinese perform art that are arranged as paid perform in temple festival, public shows, or private ceremonies. Balinese Hindu celebration Nyepi, the Hindu New Year in the spring with a day of silence. Everyone stay at home and tourists are encouraged to stay in their hotel during the day. However, colorful large sculpture of Ogogo monster, where bull are born in the evening before the Nyepi Day. This is a symbol to drive evil spirits away. The Balinese Paukon calendar system determines the other festival through the years. Okay, thank you very much. Maybe I maybe I think it's enough for what can I say about Bali in general. Om Santi 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 Om.